So hello guys, today I am opening another AP. This is the box of the watch. Let's open. Oh wow, it's the AP with Arabic numbers. It looks beautiful. This is the watch box and paper I got with this watch. This is the full set we get once we buy the watch. Let me move out this watch. See how's the shine and everything. It's a pure and real VVS diamonds, genuine in the premium quality settings. You can see it's very smooth to wear. Check the sides. Everywhere is iced with the perfection. Let me try a caster. Oh, it passes. All the diamonds are passing the caster, as you can see. Now let's try on my wrist and let's see how it looks. Let me open the lock. This is my wrist. Let me close the lock. It's so easy and smooth. You can adjust size as per your wrist. Check how beautiful and how cool it looks on my wrist. The people got really impressed after seeing this on my wrist. Beautiful, really beautiful. I put the vendor number, the vendor's WhatsApp number on the screen. You can DM and ask them prices and more catalog. Because people got mad once you wear this watch and they saw you. It's really impressive. I am giving him 10 on 10 on this watch. As you can DM them for the order. Thank you.